Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is chapter 4, powers and exponents. Okay, powers and exponents are exponents and powers. Chapter number 4. Okay, this is the new topic. I am going to start today onwards this topic. Okay, ma. So first of all, allow you open your textbooks. Page number 84. Page number 84, powers and exponents, exponents and powers, whatever it is. So we are going to discuss about this topic. Already you learned about this topic in a previous class, 7th class also. So coming to the powers and exponents and powers in here. See, example, nothing is there, ma. We call the ఏదైనా సరే లార్జ్ నెంబర్ని మనము కౌంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మెజర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆర్ మనము చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము ఇండికేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం అంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ మనం చెప్పలేము కాబట్టి we use this powers. Okay, so here suppose see 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, here how many times it is there, ma? First of all, write down this three like that only, and how many times it will repeated here. Check once, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am writing that 6 number in the top of the 3. That is called power. Okay, that is called power or exponent. Exponent. So here this is the base, 3 is the base, and 6 is exponent. Okay, ilage 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and so on. We don't know how many times it is repeated. We don't know how many times it is repeated again and again. We don't know. Then in that case, what we have to do means we call that one like this, 3 power m. M means we don't know the power. So m times or n times. Okay, we call like that, like this, okay. That is the 3 power m. 3 power m means that is m times. You don't know the how many times it is repeated again and again. We don't know. That's why we simply represented as 3 power m. Okay, m means m times. Okay, all of you see in your textbook, here some points are there. Observe the following examples, First one, the estimated diameter of the sun is, what is that, how many meters? 100. See here, how many meters? Here up to here 10,000, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, and next 1 crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. Okay, so we call ఇది మనకి లార్జ్ నెంబర్ కదా. సో దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అనేది మనం నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ అప్లో మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? సో అండ్ సెకండ్, మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద సన్ ఈజ్, వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టం వచ్చిన నెంబర్ ఇచ్చేసారు. సీ హియర్ 1, 989, 100, 0000000. How many times it is repeated? Lots of times. How many zeros it is having? Here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 3s are, how much, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26 zeros is there after one number. Okay, so that much of mass, that much of kgs is mass is having the weight. Okay, next, the distance of the sun to earth is 149 600 00000 meters. Means this is in a international system or Indian system, international system. Okay, international system means zeros tarvata 10,000s, next thousands, here also 100,000s, here this one is a billions. So see, we don't have to, we don't know how to call this number like this. So then we are here we are using our powers. ikkada manamu powers anedi use chesi we can call simply. Okay, simple ga manamu danni powers loki manamu transfer chesi we call the number. Okay, next, the universe is estimated to be about in how many years old? 12,000,000,000. Here also the earth has approximately 1,353,00,000 cubic kilometer of sea water. So here you observe one thing, here all are given a large number. See here, so we don't know how to call them or we don't know how to write them. Okay, then we are using through this the powers and exponents use చేసుకొని మనం వాటిని మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో హియర్ see here 140 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, now this much only, no? S meters. How to represent this one in a exponent form? How to represent this one in a exponent form? Okay, ela exponent form lo manam dinni represent chestamu. First of all count first of all write this 1.4. Okay, 1.4, write these two numbers 1.4. After how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, into 10 power. Okay, 10 power 8. We are going to take 8 or 9. Now tell me, 8 or 8 తీసుకుంటాం or 9 తీసుకుంటాం? 9, because after 1 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 10 power 9 meters. Understood? 10 power 9 meters. Here 10 is called base, 9 is called exponent. Okay, and this total is called 10 to the power of 9. So this total is called power now. So here we read as 10 power 9 as 10 raised to the power of 9. Means 10 అనేది ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ మనం రాస్తాము? 9 times we have to raise 10. ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ రైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ 10 ని? 9 times. So 10 is raised to the power of 9 times. Means 10 we have to write the after 1.4 we have to write 10 in 9 times. So we have to multiply 1.4 with the 10 9 times. Okay, understood all of you? This is the method to convert the exponent form. Okay, up to here all of you clear? Here do this is there. Simplify the following. 3 power 7 into 3 power 3. Simplify cheyamannadu. 3 power 7 means 3 in how many times we have to write? 3 in 7 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 we have to write in 7 times and multiply. Okay, and second one also 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Convert this one into simplify. Already they are asking simplify only, no? Multiply this all 4s and write the value. Third one 3 power 4 into 4 power 3. Okay, do yourself this one also. And second one, the distance between Hyderabad and Delhi is 1674.9 kilometers by rail. How would you express this in a centimeters? Also express this in a scientific form. Scientific form is this power exponents and power form. Okay, first of all do this one also yourself only. Convert the kilometers into centimeters. Okay, next powers with the negative exponents. Negative exponents means here see negative exponents is means nothing is there in a exponents form. We have the minus value. Exponents place lo manaki minus value unte danni emantaru? We call that one is a negative exponent. Okay, so here same take that same example na 40. So what we have to write this one into 1.4 into 10 power 9 s meters. S now. So suppose here read this some information is given here. Average number is Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Thus the numbers are larger and conveniently represented in the short form. But how we represent very small numbers, even less than units? For example, thickness of microfilm 0.000015 meters. Let us find how we represent these numbers that are less than a unit. Means negative values ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి మనకు? యూనిట్ కన్నా 1 యూనిట్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ వస్తాయి. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు కదా, 0 -1 -2 -3. ఆఫ్టర్ 0 బిలో 0 వీఆర్ ఆల్ కాల్డ్ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్. సో 1 యూనిట్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. హౌ సీ హియర్ As the exponents decreased by 1, the values become 1/10 of the previous value. Here one box is there, yellow color box, in page number 85. As the exponents decreased by 1, the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Previous value decreased by exponent అనేది 1 అనగా డిక్రీజ్ అయితే ప్రీవియస్ వాల్యూ 1/10 డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. దానికన్నా 1/10 the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Previous value comes 1/10 తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. See here. Example see. 10 power 3. 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. Yes. Next. 10 power 2. 10 into 10. That is equal to 100. 10 power 1. That is equal to 10. 10 power 1 means 10 only. 100 by 10. 10 power 0 means 10 by 10 means 0 only, no? 100 by 10 means 10 only, no? That's why this one is written as 100 by 10, no? Okay, 10 by 10 is equal to 0 means that's why it is written as 10 by 10. Okay, next coming to the next one. 10 minus 1. ఇదేమవుతుంది? Now tell me 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 10 by 100. Now it is 1 by 10. Understood? So therefore 10 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. So reciprocal of the given number. Understood? All of you? 10 minus 1 we can write simply 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Understood? All of you? See, continue the above pattern. We can say that here, see here now. 10 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, similarly, 10 minus 2. See here, 10 power minus 2. Now tell me 10 power minus 2 means 1 by 100. 10 power minus 3 means 1 by 1000. Okay? 10 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 1000. And so on. And so on. Okay? Understood all of you? And so on. 10 power minus n is equal to 1 by 10 power n. Means we don't know. N means already I told to you. M or n means we don't know how many times it is repeated. That's why we represented as n. That's why 10 power minus n is equal to 1 by 10 power n. Up till here all of you clear? See here one table is there. Observe this table, ma'am. Nothing is there in this table. Observe the following table. Here 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 1 decameter, 1 meter, 1 decimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter. Here some values are given here. Observe this one once. Okay. Next, do this. Page number 86, ma. Do this is there. What is the 10 power minus 10 is equal to? What is the 10 power minus 10 is equal to what? 10 power minus 10 means 1 by 10 power 10. 10 power 10 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 times you have to write. Okay, write down like this. This one is equal to 1 by 10 power minus 10. That is the answer. Okay. Observe the patterns here. Some patterns are given here. See here, ma. First one, 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 power 3. Yes, 2 power 3. 8 by 2 means 4. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 nela raichu 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 2. Next 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2 only. 2 that is equal to 2 power 1. 2 by 2 that is equal to 1, 2 power 0. Next 1 by 2 means 2 power minus 1. 1 by 4 means 2 power minus 2. Yes. So in this way, in general we can say that for any non-integer, non-zero integer a power minus m is equal to 1 power a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. Here class of exponents are started here onwards. Now first one is, what is the first one? For any non-integer a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. This is one formula. This this one formula. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, which is the multiplicative inverse of a power m. Okay, so that is a power m into a power minus m is equal to a power m plus of minus m, that is equal to a power 0, that is equal to 1. So see here, a power m into a power minus m, when bases are same, base అన్ని రెండు same గా ఉన్నప్పుడు we add the exponents, that is the rule. What is the rule? When bases are same, then we are going to directly add the exponents. Okay, so here bases are same, here a and here also a, then we add the exponents. What are the exponents? M plus minus m, minus m cancel అవుతుంది, a power 0, a power 0 means 1. Okay, understood? So do this is there, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. I am going to explain the first one. See here, multiplicative inverse. First one, what is the first one? 3 power minus 5. What is the multiplicative inverse? See here, multiplicative inverse. Which is the multiplicative inverse of a power m? A power. So this is called a power m. What is the multiplicative inverse of? So multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse ఏమవుతుంది? a power minus m. Yes, a power minus m means what is the a power m? 3 power minus of minus 5, that is equal to 3 power 5. So what is the multiplicative inverse of minus